Ladies and gents, welcome to the channel Fix It Gary. Like, share, and subscribe. Do a tire rotation. So we're gonna take the front tires off and we're gonna put them in the rear, and we're gonna change the pattern. So the front, they can either go crisscross, or you can replace them diagonally. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the front tire off, put it in the back, and then get the back to put on the front, and do the same thing for the other side. All right, guys, go crisscross, or you can replace them diagonally. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the front tire off, put it in the back, and then get the back to put on the front, and do the same thing for the other side. All right, guys, let's do this. All right, guys, as you can see here, we're jacking up the rear of the car. So the idea is to jack up one side, and before removing the wheel, you want to take this jack and jack up the front end of the vehicle, and in the rear you just leave your jack stand in place, right? And once you jack up the front end, you remove the lug nuts, and then you just remove the tire and put that one on the back, and then the one in the rear, you put that in the front. So that's the idea in a nutshell. All right, guys, so we're removing the tire from the front and placing in the rear, and the rear tire is moving into the front. And here we go, guys. So the tire is removed. So now, guys, take the tools to the front of the vehicle, and now we're gonna just simply jack up the front end, remove the front wheel.
Make sure it's secure.
So as you can see, and if you guys have a few of those jack stands, you can secure it with one of them. And here we are, guys. We're gonna open up the front wheel now. All right, guys, so another idea here is if you have a few of these supports, you can put one in the front and then put one in the rear while you're maneuvering your tire in place, right? And you just do the vice versa on the other side, so you can do this a little bit quicker, I think.